those prequels?
I did, yeah. Just because I grew up also as a Star Wars fan, and you know, that's what you do when you swing a lightsaber. You make the sound effect, and it was difficult for me not to. And I remember a couple of times, like after we would shoot a scene, George would come up to me and say, you know, Hayden, that was really great, but I can see your mouth moving. And you don't need to make the lightsaber sound effects. We do that in post. And it was, you know, it was a little embarrassing. But, you know, as you do, you make the sound effect. And